Are the what are the places that you traveled already? Manu, Tomahawk, Alberti, Get Lost. Theo. Oh, you are not look like a 52 years old to me. Is that you on your photo? Or that one is old picture of you? And and you don't have any recent or that is recent? That is your face right now? Trolling. Who? You're trolling, Rapati? Interesting. Yeah, you don't look like 52. Pinoy Canadian, Michael Sagay, for Brian, yeah, Baby. Hello, you all. Guys, I'm gonna take my medicine. Hi, Brewster. I need to take my medicine. I'm gonna get my meds. Brewster, hello. Ha ha ha. IGP. Gonna go get my meds, okay? Wait for me. Who are you talking to me? Yeah, this is my face. Why are you going? Are you going away again? Okay. Jubilee, alis ka na ulit. Hmm? You are going away again? Bye-bye. Captain Frost. Okay, okay, Brian.